Hi, welcome to yet another video for Expit S.O.S. This time we'll talk about the Professional Edition for Expit S.O.S. The main difference between Expit's Professional Edition and the Community Edition is the use of a management pack by the Professional Edition to control the settings for Expit S.O.S. It gives you a centralized administration to control all your users using SCSM, so that the number of templates or the service request and the incident request templates can be managed centrally. Let's have a look of how this is done. Expit's Professional Edition comes in a package of 2 installers. The first one is an exe which goes in as a plugin in your Outlook, and the second is a management pack for your SCSM. Both have a very basic installation steps. Let's install the Outlook plugin. It's a normal wizard-driven installation. We just have few next, accept the terms and conditions, select the installation folder. You're done. Let's have a look of how you install your management pack. It's a basic administrative step for any S-Service Manager administrator for installation management. It's a .mpb file which has to be imported in your management packs. So what we do is you go ahead and do an import. So the installation steps are done. So you have an Outlook plugin and you have a management pack in your SCSM. One small configuration left is you need to place a file called server.txt in the folder where you have installed your Expit S.O.S. So let's go to the folder where the S.O.S is installed. And here you need to place the file server.txt and change the server name to the one reflecting your organization. In my demo environment, it's SCSM01. Save it, and you're good to go. Let's open Outlook and see where your S.O.S is. Go into settings. I put in my administrator and password with the domain. I do a test connection and I should be good to go. If you notice, there are no incident or service request templates available for the user. Mind you, I am actually logged in via an administrator account. So how do you add templates over here, or for this you need to go into your SCSM and settings, find the Expit S.O.S administrator settings, and then you have the centralized administration console to allocate a particular incident or a service request template to a particular user or a group. So the segregation can be done either at a group level or at the user level. Let's assign Expit administrator with a particular incident template, generic incident, and for the service request, let's take service request 2. We click add over here. We do get record added successfully. The second tab in the administrator settings is the S.O.S search. In this, we can actually search for a particular user or a group and check what kind of service request or incident request templates have been associated with that particular user or a group. I can type in any name over here So autofill is enabled here, which saves a lot of time and you don't need to type the whole name. I know for a fact that expit.administrator has few templates associated with it. That's what we did in the previous step. Let's go ahead and search them. From here I can see Expit administrator has a generic incident request and a service request too, as two templates. If I go ahead and edit, I can actually change them and update them as well. So it's pretty simple and pretty intuitive of how to use administrating settings. The way this gets reflected is when an end user is using his S.O.S, he just has to go ahead and test the connection again. It's kind of a refresh, or you can actually close, or you can actually restart Outlook, and then he will have the two templates which we have selected with the with help of a management pack available for him to use. And you'd go through the drill of creating incident or a service request, which we have already seen in one of our videos. The use of a management pack greatly simplifies the centralized administration for assigning different templates to different kinds of users. Imagine a group of 1,000 employees having a need of at least 20 to 30 types of incident templates. So with help of this management pack, and an SCSM administrator with help of few clicks can easily control and segregate which template belongs to which kind of user and who has the privilege to use those kind of templates. You get a very personalized end user experience for your SCSM through Expit S.O.S. I hope this video was helpful to understand the full capabilities of Expit S.O.S. Please do check out other videos from our YouTube channel to learn more about other products.